else can go to 1.5 metres. You reckon Brooke's about 1.5 metres, do you?
How rude. That's not even funny.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Brooke. There she is. Kieran and Luke, who are already ahead. We're heading to the pond to do some afternoon fishing, so it should be interesting, so stick around. We're now at the pond and Kieran and Luke's over there somewhere. So me and Brooke's going to have to go and find them. Hopefully with it being late afternoon, the fish will be on the bottom of the pond looking for food. And I've remembered the mud today. Brooke, you heading straight towards the mud. Look at that. Everywhere we go, there's got to be mud. Have a look in this part first. Someone's been chucking bread. It's all over the place.
And Kieran hasn't been getting any. At least got fed, then we have to throw no eggs out, we can just start.
Let's go and find Kieran and Luke over there. What's that, your fish stands?
He's not going to give us a second, mate.
Got something already?
Maybe one compared to the ones I caught last night, but...
Still want to get on video though.
Luke.
Oh, spiders.
Ew, I bet it hurts.
Hopefully we can get his grandma.
Nice.
His grandma.
Right, you want his granddad?
I had a big one yesterday, like 3 of them, but okay. We want his family. Go and tell your family and friends that we've got some tasty worms.
Check one with the beak.
Quite happy up there, Brooke.
Yeah. It's really fun. Luke, look. Have you seen that? Oh my god, look at that. Look at the heron again. Yeah. That's a big.
It's about a pound, that though.
That's massive.
Good one.
The biggest one I caught, okay.
That's about a pound, that.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, is that a look?
Pretty, can I take the hook out of it?
What's your phone? Can you take a photo? Probably the biggest birds I caught, that, isn't it?
You're going to take the hook out, Brooke? I wouldn't.
I do it all the time.
Straight away, that one, huh?
Can I take a picture of it? I'll put this one back in if you want.
Shit bag.
Can we hold that for us, David? Shall I put it back in?
What, is it in the net? No, don't let it go. Leave it in the water. Look, it's not even in the water there.
Also, he's putting them all in the net when you catch them.
Yeah, I'm trying to put them in until I go, then I just let them all go.
Awesome.
Oh, bloody hell, man. Hanging around that little shit bag.
Which one is it? The same one?
Nah, tiny isn't.
Make sure it's in the water, bro.
Still pretty though.
They're gorgeous fish though, aren't they?
Is it in the net?
Yes, it's in there.
Yep.
Very nice.
He's just dropping it.
Going in the net.
Then they're going to go back in the water after we catch them.
Yeah, then at the end of the night, put them all back.
Yeah, that'll be better.
I'll tell you, hopefully. I don't mind.
It's good.
That's why I needed a little bit of rod.
Oh, the rabbit's out. See, it's running. Did you see it's the white one?
Don't distract us with rabbits, Brooke.
I'm not sure it's not the cow. It's running. It's a white and grey one.
Where?
It's up there next to the before. Watch it run.
I don't want to look though because like I'll probably focus on it and then someone will catch a fish.
Oh, up the very left corner. I see that.
I don't want to play.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Let's get it from there.
Mine came up again.
A little fish.
Grab it from there. Yeah.
So how many's in the net now?
About 5 of them.
Why do like the big ones just like bullying them?
Probably try and eat them.
Oh, I've got the white chicken around the park.
Look at these. Look, where's your thing?
This one in the water there. That big perch is only about there.
Closer. Way closer.
Oh my god.
Try and go there, Kieran.
Yeah?
Try and have a go there.
Know how many you have?
I think the autumn one's spot on.
I think we've got 8
Another
already.
pair.
Haven't
So
we?
look, Lou.
Haven't we got 8 already?
Just want to drop it on my hand.
Haven't we got 8?
Yeah, I think you better put me in it before he jumps.
We've got 8 already.
There's loads, isn't there?
Imagine if you just caught the carp on top of it.
We need a tench now.
Yeah, and a mirror carp and a goldfish. Water, what is he doing?
Kieran's trying for the lily pad perch. I think he pulled the same one out 3 times last week.
It's in the pond, it's like grey and black.
Oh, I'm walking along the corner.
Yeah. And look. It's like grey and it has like black on the edges and it has a black head and it has a...
Just see something big on the surface over there.
Where?
Over there. Well, have you done taking your worm?
And they let us take the fish on it though, are gonna die. And let's go, David.
It's starting to get dark and cold. There's Luke over there by himself. Kieran's going back around now. Let's make our way back around without slipping in the mud.
Nice perch.
Wow, big one that.
Giant?
It's a massive on it, isn't it?
Oh, you'd be able to fit some nice fish in there.
Yes, you will.
You can't, them eels can go to 1.5 metres. Do you reckon Brooke's about 1.5 metres?
How rude. That's not even funny, it's horrible.
Should we hold this one, bro?
No, thank you.
Have a look. Catching proper loads of them today.
If I
Right?
drop it, it's a haircut. Let me hold it nice now.
I think we do something else
Keep
next.
it all tight. Keep it all, put your other hand there on the front.
That big eel might be coming back over.
Go ahead.
Have you got him? Have a look. Awesome. I'll go and put him in the net.
You used to love holding them, didn't you, bro?
It was running off to us there, now it's running
Ah,
away.
Kieran's got one.
I'll
Go and take off the hook.
come and get it for you.
Alright, got it.
No, I'll put it back in.
Yeah, you get it, Brooke, and we'll have a look at it then put it in the net.
Don't drop it.
You bleed if I stuck a hook in your lip, bro. Look at that over there, someone's jumping.
Big fish, that. Big,
There's again.
it's a big fish.
No, that was there. Might be a little pop or a brain.
It's a, oh, they're brain.
You look brain, bro.
I'm not done, I'm not a brain lover like that.
Oh, that's a bit of fish. A bit on you. Oh no. What's that? Oh, it's a little roach.
Oh, that's what you're
Oh, good.
having.
Different
Catch.
catch.
Go to the gate.
All time with different fish, yeah.
How do you put water in it unless you hold them by the mouth?
Here. Hold it. Don't throw it at the camera. Don't drop it. Just grab hold of it, it's not going to spike you, bro. You only drop it because you're scared of it.
A lovely fish, that like that.
Lovely.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? I'll go and put him in the net.
That's what them perch will be eating, roach like that.
That's in the net.
Let's have a look. Oh, it's quite a big one, isn't it? Lots of scales missing.
Yeah. My hands again.
Oh, good kid.
Where's
Another big one. Nice.
That's a big one. You're pretty.
And then straight away with the bigger one when I pulled down.
Oh, fuck, I've lost a big fish there. I know it was because my boat went under and it bent me rod.
Oh, what if it was a car? Is that a mini roach?
What is it?
It's a mini roach.
I can just say yes. You got him, Brooke?
Tiny that one, isn't it, bro?
Oh, nice.
It's small.
That's the only fish I've had over there in the perch.
That's the smallest red tail ever.
Oh, can't see him, it's too dark.
Oh my god, David, come here.
Got another flashlight and we can
Look at that.
Yeah,
What you're doing?
yep. Loads in there. I can see them down here as well. I think. Yep,
the size of that perch there for you.
can you feel?
Is that the other
Escape, quick roach, quick. The roach need to escape before the perch
one?
smash them.
Yeah, go, quick,
Let the
go.
roach get a head start. No, these perch.
Oh, go, run.
Can you feel it now?
It's not going to run, Brooke. So guys, that's it for this video. It's getting way too dark to do any fishing now, so if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please check back for the next one. Bye.